Why are you still struggling to make money online when there's a simple solution that has been proven time and time again to work? Watch this video on making money on the Zeydoo affiliate CPA network. See why thousands of people have already made hundreds of dollars from this system. Also, I will show you amazing ways you can start promoting your offers. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description to make $1,000 and more per day instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. And make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Making money online has never been easier than it is today. Anybody can earn money by promoting and selling affiliate products. CPA marketing is a great method for beginners who are just starting out in online marketing to make money. You must have probably heard about the world of CPA marketing and how you can make some cash promoting CPA offers on social media, blogs, and forums, and also a multitude of ad networks and other traffic sources. I want you to go to Zeydoo.com. Zeydoo is a CPA network with handpicked profitable offers. Provide you with top converting offers from first-class direct advertisers. With Zeydoo, you can make thousands of dollars every month as an affiliate marketer. Zeydoo was launched at the end of 2019 by experts from Propeller Ads. There is no question about the reputation and trust of Zeydoo. Zeydoo, powered by Propeller Ads, one of the largest advertising networks on the market. It has really exclusive offers with top payouts on the market that are available to everyone. Zeydoo adds only the best offers from direct referrals that showed efficiency on Propeller Ads. They have offers in many verticals, however, the key ones are finance, streaming, software, utilities, extensions, blockchain, push subscriptions, sweepstakes, and mobile content. Payments are made automatically twice a month, on the 4th and 19th. Beginners will get the first payment within 2 weeks. The minimum payout is $100. You can withdraw funds to WebMoney or Yandex Money, Kiwi, PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and wire transfer. To sign up, simply click on the register button. Then fill out a few pieces of information such as your name, country, address, and payment details. Then you need to get approved by the affiliate manager, which simply takes just a few minutes. Once your account gets active, you will be assigned a dedicated account manager. Whenever you need something, you can reach them for support. After approval, you can pick up the offers and start promoting. You will have access to more than 800 highly optimized offers. You can easily promote offers from the Propeller Ads direct advertisers. You don't need a website, blog, or business to start posting links and earning money, nor do you need millions of advertising. Here are some amazing ways you can start promoting your offers. 1. Promote on forums. Before promoting your offers on any forum, you need to know that the aim of forums is to build a community and help each other, and not to promote products and services. So don't just go to forums spamming your offer links. You have to understand your CPA offer niche coupled with the value you will contribute to it. 2. Promote through Facebook. Facebook is a great source of traffic for so many websites as it gets over 1 billion unique visitors daily. You need to do some research and choose some groups that are related to your CPA offers. Then, make a trustworthy comment so that people will click on your provided link. 3. Promote via Twitter. Shorten your CPA affiliate link and promote on Twitter. According to research, shortened links get more clicks on Twitter. To make your tweets visible and effective, tweet 8 to 10 times daily, use different hashtags in each tweet, and use a related picture in the tweet. 4. Promote via Pinterest. Some researchers have found out that the average sale from Pinterest traffic is higher than Facebook traffic, which is a good sign of getting higher conversion rates for your offers. To promote on Pinterest, create a board that is related to your CPA offer, insert some good images on your board, and upload images with your offer link. Your images should be attractive and relevant. In the end, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.